So, welcome to our channel Engineering Technology and Meditation Rituals. We are excited to share knowledge on engineering technology and meditation rituals. So, I urge to join us on this journey of discovery and growth. Let's explore the intersection of innovation and spirituality. So, I request all of you to subscribe and stay tuned for insightful content. So, today's lecture is on Reiki healing. So, Reiki is a method of natural healing through touch and intentions. Reiki is a Japanese word which means universal life force energy. In Japanese means R-E-I, and Ki means life force. This life force is what we are born with, and it's what sustains us throughout our lives. It's the ultimate power in the world. Reiki is not a religion, nor it is associated with any particular caste or creed. Reiki has no connection with tantra, mantra, or even hypnosis. It's distinct from other healing practices. You don't need any special occasion or ceremony to learn Reiki. It's not a form of penance or meditation. You don't need any special mental or physical preparation either. All you need is faith, devotion, and willpower. Anyone, regardless of age or gender, can learn Reiki as long as they have basic reading and writing skills. The appeal of Reiki lies in its simplicity and ease. But be cautious while learning Reiki, because Reiki is to be learned by a certified Reiki master through process called attunement. During attunement, the Reiki master performs a ritual in sacred space, activating the student's chakras. By Shaktipat also, spiritual or the certified Reiki master can activate the chakras. After this process, the student becomes a Reiki channel and he or she can heal others either through touch therapy or even in distant mode. So this is all about, in this video, the introduction to Reiki. And those who wish to have sessions with us, they can contact us, they can join our WhatsApp group. Thanks for listening this video. Thank you very much.